Hello my beauty friends, today I'm gonna show you easiest looks I ever done, and we're gonna use today Charlotte Tilbury products. Let's see if I like them or not, because everybody on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube go crazy for this girl. She's like amazing makeup artist, and we are selling in Nordstrom, and I decided to share with you my favorite her products. Okay, let's start. This is its newest moisturizer from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a 20 SPF. It's a light texture, and let's try. Again, it's a brand very popular right now on Instagram and YouTube, and I really want to try and show you and tell you my opinion, because I know so many products overrated. Okay, feels really light, but I think what I like about my skin, I don't know if you can see, really glowing. Look at my hand, very glowing. If you dry or you wanna like natural dewy look, it's a great moisturizer. Okay, so far I love this moisturizer magic cream from Charlotte Tilbury, and let's use another product. This is its name Flawless Filter, and you can use before your foundation, you can use after your foundation, or you can use by itself. Okay, it's have a little color, and this is number 2 light clear number. Which one are you using? Okay, let's see. Wow. Okay, this is great for when it's my days off. Just even my skin, it gives me very nice, beautiful glow. Oh wow. Okay, I really like this. This is really good. Wow. Okay, this has impressed me. Yeah, will I buy this product? Yes. Will I sell to you? Yes. Okay, again, I'm doing, this is not like a makeup video, it's more about Charlotte Tilbury product. Do I like? Do I not? Okay, yes, this product, and it's Hollywood Flawless Filter, I will sell you. I'm very happy, love this product. Truly, even my skin and give me this beautiful glow. Okay, now let's start with foundation. And I will use also Charlotte Tilbury foundation brush. This is foundation brush, and this is your concealer brush. Really beautiful brush. Okay, I like full coverage. I did 2 pump here, and let's see. Will this cover what I need to cover? Remember, I have pigmentation, discoloration, melasma, oh my god, I have everything. And again, to make foundation person make my skin looks better, and I looks much more younger. Okay, foundation, it's a full coverage to me. I feel little bit heavy this foundation on my skin, but I'm gonna tell you, when applying this foundation first time, this is my like 3rd time how I use this foundation, when I apply first time, I say I do not like it. I absolutely do not like it. I'm not happy. But for whole entire day, how this foundation stays, I like when it's like 7 o'clock, I put like 7 o'clock in the morning, and I come home 7 o'clock, and I all day wearing mask. When I remove mask, I'm like, wow, I actually really like how this foundation stays on my skin. Okay, I put little bit too much, little bit I using my fingers to melt this product on my skin. This is color which one I use. It's number 3, And again, it's a Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. And I will suggest to use some primer underneath. Of course, I will suggest to use Charlotte Tilbury's this moisturizer because it's already built-in primer inside, but you can use any primer, which one you like. Okay. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful concealer from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's also a Magic Away concealer. It's a full coverage concealer. I really like it. I will definitely buy these products. Okay, you twist a little bit and product will come out. And I'm gonna do first eye, because I really want you to see a difference. And I'm gonna use another end of my brush, where it's on one foundation and another concealer. If you don't know who is Charlotte Tilbury, she's really famous like makeup artist, and her famous products, it's of course her moisturizer and her lipstick and lip liner. It's named Pillow Talk. It sells crazy, I'm telling you now. Okay, you can see one eye and another eye, and I really like it. I think it's so pretty and flawless looking, this concealer. And because we're wearing mask right now, actually I like how it stays all day. Again, I'm gonna put a little bit here, like a little letter V. I need to put a little bit more. I'm gonna use my finger. For some reason, my left eye always a little bit more darker than my right. I don't know why. Yay! Pretty. Love how it stays. Nice. Very nice. Okay, I have already foundation on me and concealer. My skin looks really good. I feel it's a good coverage, which one I personally like. And then let's do right now, I will set my foundation with loose powder. If you want your makeup stay all day, you need to use loose powder. Now I'm gonna use a little blush from Charlotte Tilbury, and its name Love Glow. It's like a pinky color, and you can see it's matte inside and around it's shimmer. Let's smile. It's not really too much pigmented blush. I actually personally like it because you can layer and you can build to intensity which one you like it, because some blushes like they go right away heavy and you're like, oh my god. Yeah, this is very pretty color. Love this color. Hey, it's smile. Now I'm gonna show you Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow. It's like burgundy. We have one matte shimmer. This is like sparkle one, and it's also very neutral shimmer color, and it's named Mesmerizing Maroon. You don't need to use any eyeshadow primer for this eyeshadow because it's already built-in eyeshadow. I have a big brush from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm gonna use this light color close to my brows. Okay, I apply this light color on entire my eyelid. This is a very easy look, which one I'm showing you. Not complicated, and it should not take a long time for you to create this. Again, I apply just one color on my entire eyelid, and it's a lighter color. Now I'm gonna use my little bit finger and I'm gonna use this color, and this color it's kind of like a shimmer. It's have like a little sparkly. I like sparkles. I like makeup, but sometimes I feel when I use it very soft, I look much more younger. Now I'm gonna use this matte color. It's right here, very, very little. Like a big letter C, like I always teaching you. Again, this is its matte color. They're pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna use this mascara, and it's named Legendary Lash Volume Mascara. Let's see how I like. Yeah, very nice mascara. I don't even use a primer because I really wanna see did it really volume mascara or not, but yes, it's a great mascara. I'm gonna use this mascara on the bottom of my lashes. I decided to make my eye a little bit bigger, and I'm using small Charlotte Tilbury brush under my eye. And I use a matte color, it's like a burgundy matte color right here. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm using Charlotte Tilbury eyebrow pencil, and it's like an angle pencil. Eyebrows make a big difference. Just look at one my eye and another one. Now I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, and it's named Pillow Talk. It's her #1 lip liner, and I will also use this Hollywood Lips. It's a lipstick, and it's a like liquid lipstick, but looks like lip gloss. But it's a liquid lipstick, and it stays all day long. This is lip color, very pretty. Okay, I finished my look. I think this is easiest video I ever done. Please share, like, subscribe. Bye.